everyone. Today's class we will learn following terms. We'll try to define sphere, hemisphere, and what do we call that? A longitudinal difference between two extreme longitudes of India. And next one, largest countries of the world. Let's begin with the first one. Before I begin that, let me ask you, what is it? Planet Earth, which is rotating on its own axis. Rotating on its own axis. What's the shape of it? It's spherical in shape. We use geoid, that exact term, to denote the shape of planet Earth. Okay, getting me? Now move to a topic again. Let's begin with equator. What is equator? An imaginary line, a flat line, a horizontal line. Or more specifically, if I speak, the biggest circle that divides Earth into two equal halves. Imaginary one, right? The hemisphere. Hemi and semi, these two words encounter. They refer half. Area which is hemisphere, which is to the north of equator. This is equator. To the north of equator we call northern hemisphere, and the hemisphere which is to the south of equator, we call this southern hemisphere. Let's see which continents are part of this northern and southern hemisphere. Begin with Asia, Europe, North America, almost half of the African continent are the part of northern hemisphere. Australia, rest of the Africa, South America, Antarctica, these are the part of southern hemisphere. Okay, you got this? Zero meridian, prime meridian, Greenwich, or zero longitude, or half of the circle, we say that, which divides Earth into two equal halves. Area which is to the east of Greenwich meridian or zero meridian, prime meridian, we call eastern hemisphere, and area which is west of Greenwich meridian, we say that western hemisphere. Which continents are the part of eastern hemisphere? Start with Asia, Europe, very few nations are missing. Next one, almost African continent, in this also few are missing. Australia and part of Antarctica. What are these? These are the part of eastern hemisphere. Next one, North America, South America, and the rest of the Antarctica. These are the part of western hemisphere. Now quickly move back to India. India's location, where India is located, simple. Asian continent. Which side? You may have multiple answers. East side. The next one may say south, and the third one may say Southeast Asia. Between which latitudes India is located, or latitudes and the longitudes India is located? We are speaking about mainland of India, not entire in Indian Union we are trying to cover. Mainland, 8 degrees 4 minutes to 37 degrees 6 minutes. We use N latitudinally. India is a part of northern hemisphere. And longitudinally, 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes eastern letter E we use, it refers to eastern hemisphere or eastern longitudes. Between these it is located. Now let's see what's that longitudinal difference between two extreme longitudes of India. That one, that is 68 degrees 7 minutes to 97 degrees 25 minutes. Roughly it's 30. Time difference is 2 between these extreme two longitudes. How do you understand this? Simple example. Suppose eastern extreme-most point, Arunachal Pradesh, if sun rises at 5 a.m. In Gujarat, extreme western point, sun rises around 7 a.m. Hopefully you got it. Now we will try to see some of the largest countries of the world in terms of area. Please have a look at the whole map. First one, it's a bit easy for you, Russia. Second one, Canada. Third one, USA. Fourth one, China. Fifth one, Brazil. Sixth one, Australia. And seventh one, ours, India. Let me clarify one more thing. You see that few websites place China number 3 and a few place number 4. Why does it happen? If disputed lands are added to China, then China occupies third place. If they are not added, China occupies fourth place. Hopefully you got it. Okay, I have added a few knowledge bites for you. Here my explanation ends, but my video doesn't end. Okay, so please watch it completely. Thanks a lot for staying with me. Thank you very much. Thank you.